Your Honor, can I speak? I want to ask you if there's any way that we could do expedited trial because I've already been here.
Guys, Johnny Somali's court trial recording just got leaked, and this time, it also revealed how Johnny Somali lied about his family. This looks like another move from Johnny Somali to manipulate the judge and make excuses to escape from South Korea soon. Everyone knows Johnny Somali has become more reckless than before because he's done a lot to manipulate and avoid consequences. In this video, you'll hear all about that, plus get major updates, like kick streamer Marlon almost having a gun pulled on him while in Milwaukee.
Oh, okay, yeah, all good. You all good. Keep that on you.
A massive brawl breaking out during Ice Poseidon's live streaming event on Kick that completely ruined the internet.
Bro, get the fuck out of here. Pedophile.
And some shady stuff Neon did on his stream. You'll see every exposure in this video. Let's get started. So as you know, Johnny Somali has now been stuck in South Korea for almost a year. Still, he hasn't escaped, but it looks like he's trying to get out of South Korea by any means. His last trial was held on October 29th, but since the main witness, Bong Bong, did not appear in court, the judge could not make any decision. The trial has now been delayed until February 2026. Not only that, but for context, you need to know that Johnny Somali also won a trial where he filed a counter lawsuit against another victim named Youngman. The charges from Youngman against Johnny Somali over deepfake allegations were dropped. Now, according to Johnny Somali, he is close to escaping, but you'll be totally shocked at how he lied in court, even asking the judge for a speedy trial so he can return to America sooner. Is Johnny Somali fully predicting that he will win the entire case against him?
Your Honor, can I speak? I want to ask you if there's any way that we could do expedited trial because I've already been here for over 1 year in travel ban. I have family, I have obligations in America, and I want to have the right to a speedy trial.
What? Guys, did you hear that? I will also provide more court recording letters. But what came from Johnny Somali's mouth is that he has a family in America, so he needs a speedy trial. As you know, and all of you know, Johnny Somali's father and mother rejected him long ago, and they have no sympathy for him. They actually don't want Johnny Somali back in America, and they don't want him to cause chaos again. Johnny Somali himself has even said before that his entire family rejected him.
My parents are more pissed than anybody else on the internet. I'm telling you that right now. They don't like, they're like, my dad's like, why the are you going to Japan and with these people? Why are you going to Korea and with these people? Why are you doing this? Like, they don't.
What do you tell them when they ask you that?
I don't even have an answer.
So while Johnny Somali knows that his father and mother fully rejected him, still he made the excuse in court that he needs to get back to his family. What a lie. But actually, the judge refused Johnny Somali on this request, saying South Korea will not be able to provide him with that request.
I feel understand your situation, but more things happen to other alien defendants who have been around in this country for more than 2 years for pending trial.
And why would South Korea actually provide him a speedy trial? Is he acting kind of regretful toward them? Always disrespecting the court and the judge. I know I also said before that South Korea is not doing well to keep Johnny Somali free and is delaying the trial. I still will say that, but I will also say that the court doesn't need to hear what Johnny Somali expected from them, because Johnny Somali doesn't deserve that. Even the legal mindset talked about his issue.
Ramsey got up there and said, Judge, I have family obligations, which is hilarious because we know Ramsey could care less about his family. He doesn't care about his family whatsoever at all. In fact, he's thrown them under the bus. He's yelled at them. I mean, he's fought with them. They've told him to stop doing what he's doing, and he won't do it. But he said, oh, no, I have family obligations. I have to get back. I can't do anything. No, Ramsey. That is not what is going on here. And the judge didn't buy it. The judge just was real cool, a very cool cucumber. He just calmly denied it. It's absolute Chad. And the judge added in, and this is very important for you guys to understand. The judge told Ramsey some foreign defendants have been here waiting during trial for 6 years.
So yeah, since Johnny Somali has acted shady in South Korea a lot, what will happen to him will be the biggest lesson for him. That's what we are all hoping for at this time. Now let's move to another topic I promised to brief you on. In this video, you will also see more incidents like that. Here, kick streamer Moron got pressed in public as some random guy even confronted him on stream with a
Gotta keep it on me because I'm in Milwaukee. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, okay, yeah, all good. You all good. Keep that on you. Shit.
Okay, sir. What you say? What you say, silly?
Chill. Chill. She just pulled a gun, deadass. I ain't even trolling like that. I mean, that's serious. Y'all good.
So the criminal and reckless activity nowadays is being influenced by this kind of streamer. If you don't want to agree with me, I can provide you with the clip where two shady kick streamers caused a brawl situation, with one allegedly acting like a criminal. Now, what kind of criminal behavior you'll see in this video, I can't talk about in detail to stay within YouTube's policy.
You know me and you pressed about me.
I've never pressed anything about you.
No, but you're pressed about me.
Dude, I don't give a fuck
Because when I
about you.
press you, you're tight.
Please don't touch me.
When I press you, you're
Please don't
actually
touch
tight.
me. Please don't touch me.
When I press you, you're actually tight. When I press you, you're tight, gang.
Please don't touch me.
Be my homie.
Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of
We're
here.
homies, bro.
Please don't touch me. I've said
Like,
it so
I
many
touched
times.
you 100 times and I'm gonna keep touching you. So what about it?
I've asked you a million times.
I don't give a
please
f what you ask, nigga.
I asked you to go away. You
I
have
love her
anything
mom.
else?
I love your girlfriend's mom. You have no
touch
nigga. I'ma touch
you. Don't touch me.
you. You have to commit
Don't touch
fraud
me.
to live the life I live.
So this kind of activity actually happened during an Ice Poseidon streaming event, and you can see they are part of Ice Poseidon's crew. This kind of act proves one thing: it's reckless and criminal behavior, and those supporting them are enabling this kind of streaming. So what can we say? Nowadays, whatever big streamer you see, many are engaging in this kind of reckless activity. Even these two kick streamer crew members of Ice Poseidon caused a huge fight, which even could have led to an attempted murder.
Yo, guys, stop. Stop.
So, don't you actually think that if this kind of activity continues on the Kick platform, and if it keeps influencing others, later they could engage in even more reckless and shady criminal activity in public places? What's your take on that? Let me know. Now, let's talk about another topic. In this video, you can see Neon and ex-crew of Jack Doherty, Camila Araujo, disrespecting some kids on their stream. Let me give some context. These kids were actually asking if Camila is the only fangirl. Nowadays, shady streamers promote this platform a lot, and kids aren't far from it. So they are not to blame. All the blame should go to the streamer or model involved.
It's Gideon.
I feel like I actually know who that is.
Who?
Isn't that the girl that does OnlyFans?
Oh my god. She's.
None of that. You should not know that.
All that.
None of that.
How the f?
Where are your parents? You should be watching Blippi. None of that. Yeah.
Well, what do you think I am?
I don't know. Too young.
What are you talking about?
You're done.
Brother, you're too young to be a gooter.
You're done. You're done. You're done. Bye. Nice to meet you.
Everybody knows that Kick gets its biggest views from kids, and in there, these kinds of girls and streamers like Neon and Jack Doherty are constantly promoting the platform, like OnlyFans. So why wouldn't the kids be influenced by it? And now these girls are blaming others and acting like they're not part of it. All the mistakes and blame are just being placed on these kinds of girls. So, to wrap it all up, what we're seeing here is a mix of reckless behavior, manipulation, and influence spreading across platforms like Kick. From Johnny Somali's lies in court to the chaotic streams of Neon, Jack Doherty, and their crews, it's clear that these actions aren't just isolated. They impact viewers, especially younger audiences. While some try to shift the blame, the responsibility lies with the streamers themselves for promoting and encouraging this kind of behavior. As always, stay aware of what's happening online. Question what you see, and remember, actions have consequences, both on and off the screen.